I thought I'd give you some tips, not only for organizing, but for getting out of your brain and not going crazy. Let's do this. Some people aren't used to this, being at home or being isolated thing or anything else. I do that a lot. I used to get out and stuff like that, but I'm at home like everybody else and I've been doing it for a while. When I start going stir crazy or things are going weird or I'm like, oh, let me show you some tips that you can do now that you have some time at home to do those things you didn't have time to do before. Set up what I call a battle plan. Like I used to every morning go through and I'd list all the things I was gonna get done today, and then I would go do those things. I let that drop out for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks and boom, I was all over the place not getting anything done. So every morning I sit down, I write down all the crap I wanna get to, and then I just keep listing it and listing it. Here's what I do on my YouTube channel or wanna do or need to get done. Here's what I do on my second YouTube channel or need to get done. Here's what I do at the university and I wanna do or need to get done. And here's just some other stuff that I also wanna get done. And then just prioritize them. Go through, circle number 1, number 2. You can always change your mind. Go circle the other one. And here's the clue. Just make sure you get one of them done. And clue 2 is, if you don't get all the other crap done, don't beat yourself up about it. Just cross one off and use that the next day and make the thing that you didn't get to number 1. Did that make sense? Your desk probably is a giant mess. Like, go through and organize it. Put things in a proper place so you'll just be happier. You'll be like working at your desk instead of going, oh, I gotta sit at the stupid desk. Ah! Here's my B-roll table. This is where I shoot B-roll. Look at this. There's crap everywhere. Let's go through and just clean it all up and put things in their proper place. See, now look at that. That looks so much better and I'm not thinking about all the crap I have to do. It's all sitting there and I know what's going on. Next, grab a labeler like this. They're cheap, they run forever on batteries, and they're neat. Do labels, like label all your gear stuff, put labels on your cords and everything else, so you know where they are and what they do, and you don't have to like thrashing through cords trying to figure out what's what. Go take some free courses that I offer. Go take them and go look at them and learn something and get smarter. Someone's gonna say on this video, oh, this is a promo. They're free. Go clean up your garage. My wife and I last Sunday went through and went, okay, that's it. So we went and bought these. They're like stainless steel shelves from Amazon. They're like $100 or something. They're awesome. They got wheels and metal and they don't rust. And we just put everything away and organized everything and it's freaking awesome. Go do something you've been meaning to put off. Like, here's this little waterfall-y thing I have in my backyard. I live in Oregon. It gets like all greeny or whatever. So take a hose, spray it down, make it look awesome. And then when you go outside, you won't be looking at that going, oh man, I need to clean that. Well, maybe tomorrow. You do it now. Grab your GoPro or the DJI Osmo like I have and test it out. See what it'll do. What conditions will it shoot under? Let's take this. Like, here's my coffee, and instead I'm gonna save myself and my wife some time, and I'm not gonna use a spoon. I'm just gonna stir my coffee with my Osmo. Okay, that's probably not a real thing. Let's just scratch that one off. But get some coffee. Look at there. You see the cat? Cat's trying to stalk me for some food. Here he comes, here he comes. For your videos, work on cleaning up your space. When I started doing live streaming a while ago, and I arranged things in my studio, I pulled the thing off the back wall and everything else, and I added another light. It's okay. It's not bad. Maybe I'll add this light back here. Yeah, you can see me better, but look at the background. It's kind of brown and everything else. So I went and got these little, they're like $6 on Amazon or $12, you know, those little round silvery looking lights, and got some blue bulbs and put these suckers in. See? But it's pretty cool until next week when I change my mind and I change it all around again. You know, go outside, maybe get some fresh air in your lungs, take a look around, get a little vitamin D if you got it and it's not too bad. If you don't feel safe walking around the neighborhood or something like that, at least get out in your backyard. You know, maybe those photos and posters and everything else you've had stacking up that you're gonna get to one day, maybe hang them, something you like, maybe something that adds attraction to your studio or something that just makes you happy. Like, work on it, just put some nails on the wall and hang the posters up. It does not take long and it isn't hard. You know, you got lunchtime, you got breakfast, all that. Instead of spending all your time all day on social media and answering stuff, like eat your lunch maybe on the couch or by your computer and spend that time on your social media. And then when you're done eating lunch, stop. And that way, you'll be able to go look at the things you want to look at and save a bunch of time.
Oh yes. Wow.
Grab that guitar or that bass or that drum set or whatever you've been putting off and sit down. Play with them. Get your chops back in. Get your fingers working in. Get the beats happening. Like, just get down with it. Make it happen. If you have some idea of what to do at home that would be like cool and get your brains all unscrambled and everything else, leave it in a comment below. I'd love to hear what your suggestions are. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Another thing you can do if you're bored is just sit here and stare into your camera. Okay, I'm bored. Back to work.